Lok Sabha MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol stressed that Manipur can only be safeguarded if the public elect visionary leaders capable of speaking boldly about the state's challenges and issues. He was speaking at the booth-level meeting of INC intending candidate at Kumbi Assembly constituency, Dr. Kangembam Romesh, at Fawebi Shanglin in Kumbi. Speaking further, the MP underscored the need for leaders to understand sentiment of the public, question the wrongdoing, guide people in the right direction, and lead from the forefront. He added that choosing such leaders lies in the hands of the public, while calling for exercising adult franchise wisely. The function was also attended by INC former candidate in Thongju AC Seram Neken, former president of Manipur Pradesh Youth Congress Committee, Ningthaujam Popilal, and other Congress leaders.
Adumba leader ma koi khanba mathau tai ko leader na election da madu interviewer na madu thabak khanna ba phami se miyam ya adumba tak lem chaw ba power ro man digan na la election da india ya sut chaw ba university mada lari ta ko ma ba osa romesh PhD kari kara pai gatna da foreign country Europe the chala da post doctor ba ma kumbi gi miyam gi ta thabak ka smaina nei na da ngang ki khanda na ma ngom de thula ka sa kumbi gi miyam na chacha hazana da sagai na kai to da paisa pira da ni thabak ha pa pina mangan diganu madu mangan diba di imam Manipur gi makhong da chaina kumbi gi pajana yei da chap mana da ni madu to diganu ko he ka me ke ni ro to ko sin ni Manipur to e se su